flag. It's the flags on the giant realtor's office. It's the flags, buddy. That's all it is. Come on. Come on. You're going to get them. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go to the water. Let's go this way. Dog nip, like catnip. She's rubbing herself on the seaweed. I don't know what that is. You like that? What are you doing? Good morning, good morning. It is Thursday. It is 7 o'clock and we are at the beach. Happy 4th of July. Ready? Let's go. Come on.
Here comes the jump.
No, there are court costs, attorney.
Oh shit! Oh! Now!
Damage to your social life. Oh.
Man, that's fucking awesome.
Yeah.
Man, that shit was fucking badass. Oh, wait.
Sounds like a
Last one, 2 minutes, 63 shots. I'm gonna film that one, dude, for real. Yeah. It'll be nice, dude. Oh yeah! Look at that! Oh, there ain't no turning back now.
Wow. That's cool. It's 10 o'clock. I just got home. I'm walking Sophia. We stayed at Frank's house. Gosh, I went over there at like 5 o'clock and we stayed and we ate and drank and swam and hung out, and he lit like all his fireworks off. Well, he had John lighting the fireworks off, which was cool because it was cool that he let John light them off. Anyway, but then we almost died. Okay, you saw that one clip? Because Frank was like, oh, well, let's light 2 fireworks off at the same time. Surely nothing can happen. Well, anyway, it didn't work out. But we had a really good time. It is, it's 10 o'clock. I'm going to walk her. I'm going to get myself situated. I'm going to go to bed. I'm going to go to work tomorrow and deliver all my mail. And then when I clock out, I'll be off for a whole week. I am excited. I'm not excited about tomorrow only because it's going to be a lot, because the day after a holiday, well, whatever. Everyone's still, quite a few people are still lighting their fireworks. But we had a nice show, and there's a lot of traffic leaving the beach right here because I guess they did fireworks at the beach, which again is like another thing. Like when we move, and we're going to move by the end of the year, I will miss living so close. I could just walk, you know, I'll miss whatever. I hope you had a happy 4th of July. I had a happy 4th. I was really lazy, okay? That, as you see in the vlog, we went to the beach, and there we are at Frank's, okay? In the middle of that, I watched Desperate Housewives. I laid on the couch. I actually got in my bed and took a nap, which I never do. I'm not a nap person, but whatever. And now I'm dragging Sophia down the sidewalk, and that's going to be it. All right, well, I'm done. This was a short vlog, but this is what's happening. Is it illegal for you to have fireworks, for you to buy fireworks or set them off in your state? Because in Virginia, it is illegal. Frank had to go to North Carolina, to south of the border, which is the border between North Carolina and South Carolina. I think that's what the border is. And it's just literally like a border. It's a whole like amusement thing. It's been there for like 30 plus years. It's got a huge sombrero. It's just a crazy place. You'd have to Google it. I can't tell you exactly what it is, but it's been there forever. It's like a historical monument thing. I don't know, but it is a little rundown because we did stop when we went to Georgia, but the thing's been there forever. I'm done. I will talk to you later. I will talk to you tomorrow. As always, I will vlog again tomorrow. Bye, everyone.